1. Define your research question. Before selecting a case, clearly outline your research question. A well-defined question will help you choose the right case and focus your analysis. Example: how does remote learning affect student engagement in higher education? 2. Select the right case. Choose a case that aligns with your research question and offers rich data for analysis. Consider factors like relevance. How well does the case fit your research objectives? Uniqueness. Does it offer fresh insights or represent a typical scenario? Access. Can you gather enough data from the case? 3. Collect data. Use multiple data collection methods to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the case. Interviews. Observations. Document analysis. Surveys. 4. Analyze the case. Organize and interpret the data by identifying patterns, relationships, and themes. Use qualitative data analysis tools if necessary, and link your findings back to your research question. 5. Present the findings. Structure your thesis logically to help readers follow your analysis. A typical structure for presenting case studies in your thesis includes: Introduction. Introduce the research question and explain the relevance of the case study. Literature review. Discuss existing research related to your topic and justify the use of a case study. Methodology. Explain how you collected and analyzed data from your case. Findings. Present the data with supporting evidence like quotes, tables, or graphs. Discussion. Interpret the findings, connecting them to your research question and existing literature. Conclusion. Summarize the implications of your case study and suggest areas for future research. Common mistakes to avoid. A. Choosing a weak case. Make sure the case is rich enough to provide meaningful insights. B. Lack of clear research focus. Define your objectives clearly from the start. C. Overgeneralizing results. Case studies focus on specific examples and are not meant for broad generalizations. A. Neglecting ethical considerations. Always obtain necessary permissions and maintain participant confidentiality. Get professional support from Thesis Help today. Visit our homepage to order a custom-written thesis tailored to your case study research needs.